Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be my favorite video. You know why? Because this is gonna be the last one because this is review week, and also it's gonna be my favorite one because we're gonna try to make it shorter, and you will be doing most of the job. My job today is just going to be to help you go back over what we've been covering the past 4 weeks, and you will take it from here. What you will do is go back to the PowerPoints and the resources that you have and use the class time to do review. All right, so let's try to get into it. So the past 4 weeks, the first week you've covered the 6+1 traits of writing and the writing process. So I want you to think about why we did a review on this concept, and so why was it important? And you also want to think about why it was important to cover media literacy, which was the second class of week one. So why was media literacy important to cover? What is it about? Anyways, this was kind of your research paper. It was what you had to do in terms of assignment, in terms of project for this end of semester. So you pretty much included that in your research. All right, so let's move on to week two. We looked at stative verbs and prepositional phrases. We don't need, I'm not going to be talking a lot about stative verbs. For prepositional phrases, what we said was important is they will help you improve your reading and your writing. And then we also talked about the positive and infinitive phrases. We saw how infinitive phrases could be nominal, adverbial, and adjectival. And we also saw that we can use them with the bare infinitive, and we have to use them with the bare infinitive when we have a modal. And other verbs that you also have in your PowerPoint, you can go back to the PowerPoint and consult again. And finally, we looked at participial and gerund phrases. So what we thought was important about that is to avoid confusing these two types of phrases. We saw how participial phrases, they look like verb, but they really act like adjectives. And gerund, we don't need to talk about a lot about gerunds. They were very pretty straightforward. So we basically, the 3 last weeks, we basically covered parts of speech, phrases. What phrases are they, or groups of words that act like particular parts of speech. Now, like I said, you're gonna be doing the review, guys. And end of recording. Goodbye, guys.